Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you a review of a tool I purchased. So I'm sure most of you have come across the Revlon one-step hair dryer and voluminizer. This actually isn't Revlon, it's from the brand WAER Professionals, but it looks exactly like the Revlon. I can't really tell because I haven't laid my hands on one in terms of weight, but when it comes to the look, trust me, it looks exactly like that. So today I'm going to review this tool, the one-step hair dryer and voluminizer, and I'm going to see how it works on my type 4 hair, so stay tuned. So let's see what it really looks like. So I've already unboxed it, but yes, let's do a second unboxing with you guys. So when you open the box or the package, there's this more like a manual. It says here that blower brush, that's how it looks like. And then inside it says interchangeable hot air styler. So then it gives some labeling on the parts, and then some safety instructions on how you probably use the brush. So it comes in a plastic wrap, and then the cord, and then this is how the brush looks like. I've already unboxed it, like I said. The cord was tied with a black wire. I took that off. Now when we look at this tool, it's more like an oval shape. And then it has the bristles here. The tips of the bristles are padded with this pink thing here. And then there's, I don't know if you can see it properly, but then there's these boar brushes. You know, the kind of bristles you see on a regular brush. We have some in there. So apart from the plastic tooth of the brush, there's also this bristle. I guess this is supposed to help make the hair come out as fine as possible. So, and then when we come here, we have the levels. So we have here high, we have middle, we have low, and then we have off. So let's come closer. If you can see, we have high, middle, low, and then off. We're going to plug this in and we're going to test the levels of this device. So I've plugged it in and we're going to test how it feels and the heat level. So when you plug it in, you get a signal here. There's this red light that comes at the off side. So I'll start with the low. So I've changed it to the middle. And then let's go to the high. Okay, so at low, it gives off some heat, but very minimal. And then at middle, slightly higher than the low, and then at high, it's really hot. So I'm going to try this on my hair. I don't want any heat damage, so I'm going to start from the low, or probably switch to middle depending on how the low turns out. So let's do this. Oh, and by the way, my beautiful bonnet here is from Tinker Tresses. I think I got this about a year ago. Yeah, from Tinker Tresses, and it's reversible, so you can wear it in both sides. You know, every natural girl needs a satin bonnet or a satin scarf, so go get one for yourself. I've freshly washed my hair and I've put it in 2 sections. So I'll start from behind. I already put in some leave-in, so hopefully this straightens my hair beautifully. But interestingly, I really do not like using heat on my hair. Since I went natural, I hardly use heat on my hair. Basically stick to my African threading because it gives me the maximum stretch that I need. So let's try this out. Okay, so this is what it basically looks like. It's stretched. The low is not so hot, so but I'm going to switch to the high and see what is going to happen. If it's going to be bone straight. Let's see. what it looks like straightening my hair with dryer. I'm going to do it again and smoothing the So you're going to go in on this side of camera. So I'll be back to show you how it looks like. So I'm all done. So this is how my hair looks. I'm all done with blow drying. And so what do I think about this blow dryer? Well, I think it's a good pick. If you're someone who prefers to blow dry their hair often, you might want to get one of these because it comes with the dryer and the brush all together. So I mean, that's an easy catch. And I think it's lightweight, so it's easy to handle. However, the only challenge I had was with rolling the hair over, and probably because type 4 hair is not bone straight, so you get quite some hair tangled up in the bristles. But I mean, I lost some hair, but all in all, I think it's a good pick. And if you're looking to get one of this, I got this from Chic Extensions at 135 Ghana cedis. I know, right? But if you're too junky like me, you'd want to try it out. Any day, I would prefer my African threading over this. But I mean, sometimes this comes into handy on those lazy days. So you can try it out. And thank you all so much for all the love that you show me here. I see you, and I want you to know that I really appreciate the love and the support. Do well to watch my other videos, like, comment, and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comment sections below. And if you have tried this dryer, do share with me what was your experience. What did you like? What didn't you like? Till next time, bye.